Good morning, everyone. Jordan with Green Bay Classics YouTube. Just going to give you a little update on the 1979 Pontiac Firebird today. So thank you very much. Stay tuned. So here she is, folks. First time she's running on her own gas tank. At least with me anyway. There's no auxiliary tank. This morning I switched out the fuel line. No more gas tank. Running on her own. We'll see if this bad boy can do a burnout. Legitimately, the more I work on this thing and the more I play with it, the more I end up liking it. So we're gonna need spring to come real quick with this one so I don't end up hanging on to another toy. But I feel like once I get the Camaro back and the big block, that'll be the difference maker. I won't care about this 305 very much when I get that one back, so just need to bide my time. I think the patinaed Firebird is even better than original. Which rising phoenix doesn't get a little beat up in battles? All you Harry Potter fans out there. Front nose is a little bit weathered. You can see the clear coat coming off. You know, that doesn't really bother me. She still has all the looks. T-tops. Ooh, look at that fire chicken. The back end is growing on me too. I like the Camaro taillights better, but I like the louvered look of the Firebird. Small, subtle changes. Another fire chicken. You guys will get to see how easy this thing fires up. I think it has some bad gas, and obviously it had the fuel line issue. So now that I'm getting some fresh gas in there, it really seems like it's woken up, whatever one. And just like that, she's purring. Idles at about 600 RPMs. Now I think the biggest difference is getting some actual throttle back. Look how fast that baby jumps up there. She has some good reaction. Sounding real healthy. Okay, we'll push her to red line just a little bit. Man, she sounds smooth and healthy. Really enjoying playing with this bad girl. Thank you guys so much for watching.